PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional residential air duct cleaning services in Reading, PA, helping homeowners improve indoor air quality and HVAC efficiency. Our experienced team removes dust, allergens, and debris to create a cleaner, healthier living environment for you and your family. If you have any questions, please contact our residential air duct cleaning service. Are you looking for a residential air duct cleaning near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What is residential air duct cleaning? Residential air duct cleaning is the process of removing dust, dirt, allergens, and debris from your home's HVAC ductwork to improve airflow and indoor air quality. Do I need to leave my home during the cleaning? No, you can stay in your home while the service is being performed, although there may be some noise from the equipment. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our residential air duct cleaning have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Burnville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Wernersville, Moulton, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarlett's Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartsville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania residential air duct cleaning office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street No. 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-reading.